A couple Kansas City families woke up to water spilling into their basements last night. One homeowner in the Northland says that he thinks it's due to Kansas City Water working down his street. Now he's left with an expensive repair bill and wants KC Water to make it, in his opinion, right. Fox 4's Jacob Sloan has the story.
Some of the streets around the Kistarts' house are still closed as crews are working to fix a water issue that ended up flooding their basement.
The repairs are underway, but it won't fix what happened overnight.
I get up and I go down the stairs and there's just water all over the floor.
John says that he first saw water spraying in his basement around 1 a.m. Water covered the floor and he spent hours cleaning it up.
I did notice earlier in the day that a water main had broken kind of down the street from us. So I kind of, in the back of my mind, I'm like, does this have anything to do with it? Because they were still kind of working.
He talked with those crews about what happened in his house, hoping they could help address the issue. Their answer, he says, to call the city's legal department on Monday.
Now I'm starting to get a little bit irritated because I was asking for help. Everybody keeps telling me to call legal on Monday. Nobody has given me the number for legal. They just keep telling me to, well, the office is closed till Monday.
He says after talking to multiple people, a KC Water technician came Saturday morning to fix the leak, but they only fixed part of the issue. Without a solution from KC Water, he was left with no choice.
So had to call a plumber, and then we have a $900 bill because nobody wants to give me a straight answer.
Not only did it happen to him, but he also helped clean up a neighbor's house who he says had 2 to 3 inches of standing water. He says KC Water needs to find a way to make it right.
I mean, honestly, just cover damages. I mean, cover the cost of the plumber and, any damage that comes with it.
Saturday afternoon, KC Water told Fox 4 that a supervisor would be meeting with John to discuss and investigate the situation. Jacob Sloan, Fox 4, working for you.